Hi guys and welcome to episode 60 Chaffles for Life. Today I'm doing more experimenting. I'm doing the egg white instead of the eggs. So typically I took a fourth of a cup of egg whites and that equaled out to be 2 eggs. I took 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, simple salt and pepper, mixed everything all up together, got it going onto the mini dash, and I took 2 tablespoons of almond flour and a little bit of baking powder, about an eighth of a cup, teaspoon rather, and just eyeballing stuff like that. And from time to time, all I do is just basically eyeball a lot of stuff. But for the sake of the video, I did put up the directions and the instructions rather. But anyways, here I am mixing it all up, and I wanted to see what kind of texture I was going to get out of the Chaffle and how, and all that good stuff. And I'm so much surprised it came out really, really good. If you're trying to cut back on your calories and everything, these are great alternatives to bread and everything else. And they just, you can see me over here putting it onto the mini dash, and no problem with the egg overfilling or anything like that. I just, these came out to be 2 Chaffles, by the way. And, I was just trying to be careful not to get the cheese mixture all over my paper plate. But again, hard time getting that one out this morning, huh? But anyways, we'll continue on, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and I guess you know the drill by now. Hope you've really been enjoying these Chaffle recipes that I've been putting up. They seem to be moving along pretty well. And of course, there's the one that just came up, this first one. Be careful, it's going to be hot, and I was trying to not to burn myself with it, and I wanted to flip around a little bit to show you the back side of it. And there you go, a little crispy and everything. It still came out really good. What I ended up doing was, later on in that same morning, I ended up cooking up a few sausages and sausage patties in the air fryer, and they had a sausage patty sandwich there without actually cooking up an egg, because the Chaffle had eggs in it already. So, again, I'm just trying to cut back on my calories. I have been losing some weight again there, and I've been feeling really good, and everything seems to be coming along. This is the second Chaffle that I made, and again, they came out really good. I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and be watching for some more videos, and have an amazing day. Talk to you in the next one.